This is linked double crochet, and it's a perfect stitch for summertime because it's solid, you can see through it. It's perfect for thin yarn and you're gonna love it. But before all of this, I want to send all my thanks to my Luna Corazon. She's wonderful. I want to send all my thanks to all my crochet pattern testers, Dawn Usilton, Sally Hayes, Robin. They are wonderful. Thank you guys. I want to thank you because you are watching my channel and my videos and you are here for me. And please comment down below and tell me what do you think, what other tutorials I have to make you happy. So let's get started. Let's make 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One double crochet, and here you can see a middle bar. For the linked double crochet, insert the hook into this middle horizontal bar, then insert the hook into the next stitch, and now finish your double crochet like always. Let's do this again. It's a, see, middle bar, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, and again insert the hook into the middle horizontal bar. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, insert the hook into the next stitch, and finish your double crochet, linked double crochet. For a regular double crochet, you are gonna do this, but not this time, because this time you insert the hook here and into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through 2 and pull through 2. Insert the hook and again insert the hook, pull through, insert the hook and finish it. And this is our last stitch. Into the last stitch, let's make 2 regular double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook, and one more time, then chain 1 and 2 more double crochet into the same stitch. And now place your stitch marker into the chain 1 here, and let's do linked double crochet into these stitches. Insert the hook, so here, insert the hook, no, it's linked double crochet, so insert the hook into the middle bar, then into the next stitch, insert the hook into the middle bar, then insert the hook into the next stitch and finish your double crochet. Insert the hook into the middle horizontal bar and then into the next stitch, and again insert the hook, pull through, insert the hook, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Again, see here, oh sorry, insert the hook, then insert the hook into the next stitch and finish your double crochet, your linked double crochet. And this is our first row. Now our first row is done. Let's make another one. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. Insert the hook into the second stitch here, then insert the hook into the first stitch, and now this is our horizontal bar. Insert the hook, pull through, insert the hook into the next stitch and finish. Insert the hook, pull through, insert the hook, pull through 2. And again, and insert the hook into the horizontal bar and down. See? And again, this stitch looks better with, looks good, sorry, with any type of yarn. And we are here. For the bikini cup, I like to do a regular double crochet here and 2 double crochets, regular double crochets into the chain 1 and chain 1, 2 double crochets, and place the stitch marker here. Into the chain 1. And double crochet, regular double crochet here, and linked double crochet, insert the hook into the horizontal bar, insert the hook into the next stitch, and finish your double crochet. And again, insert the hook into the horizontal bar, pull through, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through 2 and pull through 2. And again, insert the hook here and pull through. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through, then pull through 2 and pull through 2. And the last stitch here. So, what do you think? Let's see. I think this is beautiful. Please tell me if you like this video. Please tell me if you want more videos like this. Please subscribe. And please, please, please be here for me because I'm here just for you. Thank you. Goodbye.